team, it's time for your Tuesday tip, and I wanted to talk about Arbonnes Full Control product. Now, why this product is super awesome. So it has glucomannan in it, which actually comes from a root that is super duper low in calories and really, really high in fiber. And so what happens when you eat something that is really high in fiber, it makes you feel full. That's one of the coolest things about fiber. We're also really deficient in fiber, which is another reason why this product is super awesome. So used in the 30 days to healthy living, it's helping you guys pay attention to how you're feeling when you're eating. It's like, how many humans are just connected from this guy to this guy and completely disconnected with what hunger feels like, what fullness feels like, and what the full control is helping us do is like more of that portion control, right? And so how I would suggest you use it and how Arbonnes suggests you use it is 1 scoop in 8 ounces of water 30 minutes before your meals, and then pay attention to how you feel when you're eating. So the other assignment, along with the full control, is to practice chewing your food. I know, novel concept, right? Like so many of us are like in and down the hatch. It's like, did I just eat something? So the assignment is to be committed to chewing your food 31 times because that will help your digestive system in so many ways. Now, why? Because digestion actually starts when you start thinking about food, right? In theory, you get hungry, and then you think about what you want to eat, and then, in theory, you go prepare it. Many of us don't do that. Lots of us are eating through drive-through windows, or standing up, or hurrying through a line, or at our desk at work, and we're not necessarily preparing and smelling and having our hands on food, that then preps the digestive tract. So when we think about food, then what happens is our parotid gland starts secreting amylase, and then our digestive system starts getting all of the gastric juices to break down proteins, and our liver and our gallbladder are like, so awesome, food is coming, right? And our pancreas is like, yes, we're ready. Now, that's the way it's supposed to be designed. But many of us are eating rushed or stressed out. And so our digestive tract is not primed, ideally, for food to come. So what you can do, along with Arbonnes 30 Days to Healthy Living, which is really focusing on what foods are working for you, and whole foods, foods that come from the earth that our body has been recognizing for a very long time, and then doing the full control to really help make us pay attention to what does full feel like, what does hunger feel like, and then when you are eating, chewing your food to help prime your digestive tract and to fully break down and absorb our food. Because as Arbonnes said so beautifully, we are not what we eat, we are what we absorb. So that is my 2 cents on the full control. And classes, I have online classes starting February 1. And if you guys have learned anything in these Tuesday tips, take those classes and crank them up about 1 billion notches. There's so much to know about the body that's so empowering, because when you know, you can then add health. It's pretty cool. They usually go one in one, hand in hand. And that's about it, I think. If you guys have any questions or any requests for a Tuesday tip, you know where to find me. And I'll see you on the flip side. Bye!